Okay everyone, welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. So today we will solve this question, and this question is from the Mercer Employability Test. Okay, now don't let the name scare you. It sounds like a heavy metal bond, I know that, but it's actually one of the biggest gatekeeper of examination used by the companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and even the big banks to see if your brain functions under the pressure or not. Okay, so today's mission is we are going to solve a classic train versus bridge problem. Okay, so let's come to the question. A train 130 meters long traveling at 45 km per hour crosses a bridge in 30 seconds. What is the length of the bridge? There are four options. Option number A says 200 meters. Option number B is 225 meters. Option number C is 245 meters. And option number D is 250 meters. Okay. So let's solve this question together. Now before we touch a single number, remember this. In the train problems, the train is not just a point. It's a long heavy object. Okay. When a train crosses a bridge, it does not just touch the bridge. Its nose enters and its tail has to leave. Okay. So total distance is length of the train plus length of the bridge. Okay, if you forget to add the train's own length, you are not solving a math problem. You are leaving half the train hanging off a cliff. Okay, not a great look for your first day on the job. So look at the units now. We have meters, kilometer per hour, and seconds. So this is a classic trap. They want you to multiply 45 by 30 and get some massive wrong number. We need everyone speaking the same language. So let's convert that speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay. Now to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we don't do the long math. We just multiply by 5 by 18. So speed is basically 45 into 5 by 18. Okay. And 9 goes into 18 twice and into 45 5 times. So we get 5 into 5 by 2. So this is 12.5 meter per second. Okay. Now if you forget this step, your train is essentially traveling at the speed of sound and your bridge is probably in the other country by now. So stay in meters and stay safe. Okay. Now let's use the Holy Trinity. That is the distance equal to speed into time. Okay. Now calculate the total distance covered. Total distance will be 12.5 meter per second into 30 seconds. So this is 375 meters basically. Okay. Now solve for the bridge. We know that 375 meters equal to train length, that is 130 meter, plus bridge length, right? So this is say this is L. Okay, so L will be what? 375 minus 130, that is, this is 5, this is 4, this is 2. Yes, 245 meters. Okay. Now why did we add them? Imagine the train is a giant sausage and the bridge is a bun. Okay. To pass through the bun completely, the entire sausage must clear the exit. So that's why we subtract the train's length from the total distance to find the bridge. Okay. Now look at our options. Option A, no. Option B, no. Option C, yes. Option number C is the right answer, is the winner option for this question. Now, this examination loves the option D, that is 250 meter. Why? Because if you rounded 12.5 up to 13 like a lazy person, you would hit 250, and they are testing your precision. Okay, so in the real world, if you are 5 meters of building a bridge, you are fired, and in this class you are just getting started. So this is the whole solution for this question. I hope this is clear to you. This is a very simple question, okay? And the thing that matters, that is timing. Timing is very important in this kind of competitive examinations, okay? So we will meet at the next session with a new question. Till then guys, bye bye.